Tut, 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 tut. Si Boreta ata tulog pa eh. Sleeping Beauty, no? Al James kung Al James. Ay, ito si Boreta. Ay, sige. Go. Good morning. Natapos ka na sa Q&A? Ikaw? Thank you. Ha? Letter K? Ay, kanya-kanya ba? Oo nga, letter K. Ang cute eh, no? Part 3 na tayo. Matatapos na to mamaya. Paulit-ulit lang naman ang tanong. Oh, alam niyo na yung sagot dyan. Alam niyo na yan. Sagot? Ha? Ay, part 4 ba? Part 4 pala, sorry. Tapos na tayo sa 3, no? Ay, bilis talaga. Lahat ba pala nakatapos? Sinong hindi tapos? Lahat. Di mo sagutan? Naku, babanatan ko pa naman 5 at 6 ngayon. Sige. Alam niyo na sagot dito. More than 3 years to capital punishment. Appointing the director. Sino daw nag-a-appoint? Director ng BJMP? President. Which is a place of confinement for persons awaiting trial. Ito yung sinasabi kong ipapaprint kay Sir Garings, kaso di pa ata napiprint. Oo, sige. Which of the following are grave offenses? Di ko na enumerate sa inyo, napakarami niyan eh. Ano? Three, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. Double check natin. Alma lang. Check natin. Okay. Grave offenses. Number 1 is making untruthful statement or lies. Meron ba dyan? Making untruthful statements or lies. Okay, wala. Keeping or concealing keys, locks of places in the jail where it is off limits to prisoners. Wala. Giving gifts. Selling or bartending with jail personnel. Nandito. Number 1. Okay, pasok. Keeping in his possession money, jewelry, or other contrabands which the rules prohibited. Keeping gifts, wala. Ay, keeping his possession. Tattooing. Meron. Forcibly taking or extracting money. Punishing or inflicting injury or harm upon itself or sa kapwa niya inmates. Wala din. Receiving, keeping, and taking it, imbibing liquor or other prohibited drugs. Concealing or withholding information on plans of attempted escape. Unruly conduct and behavior and flagrant disregard of discipline and instructions. Wala. Escaping, attempting to, or planning to escape. Diba? Hanggang 24 naman yan eh. Helping, aiding, or abetting others to escape. Fighting, causing any disturbance, or particularly participating therein, or agitating to cause such disturbance. Indecent, immoral, or lascivious acts by himself or others. Wala din. Acts in disrespectful manner towards any officer or member of custodial force. Willful disobedience to a lawful order. Assaulting any officer. Damaging any government property. Meron. Sa number 3, pasok. Participating in any kangaroo court. An unauthorized or irregular court conducting with disregard. Wala. Affiliating oneself to any gang. Failing to inform the authorities concerned with afflicted with any communicable diseases. Engage in gambling or any game of chance. Meron ba? Committing any act which is in violation of any law or ordinance. Wala. 1, 2, and 3 lang. Meron bang 1, 2, and 3? Nabanggit ba yung 4? Wala. Itong 5, failing to return. Wala din. Ito kasi, yung number 6, less grave to. Ito din, less grave. Ito namang nasa, ay wait lang. Deadly weapons. Wait lang, hanapin natin. Ang dami nito eh. Itong number 4 kasama. 1, 2, 3, and 4. When is unnecessary force used upon an offender? Kailan daw pwedeng gumamit ng mga unnecessary force? When pursuing an inmate who escaped from prison, to enforce discipline and order among prisoners, when doing routinary inspection of prison cells for legitimate self-defense on the part of the jail guard. For legitimate self-defense. Pwede kang gumamit ng mga force dyan. Ang ina, nanganganib na yung buhay mo bilang jail guard, di mo pa ba idedepensa ang sarili mo? What is the classification of the prisoner's offense of willful disobedience to a lawful order? Saan siya pasok? Pasok siya sa grave. Grave offense yun. What is the classification of the prisoner's offense of forcibly taking or extracting money from fellow inmates? Grave din yan. When may prisoner be taken out of jail? Upon orders of competent court. After release from jail or prison, when does the parolee present himself to the parole and probation officer? Kailan? Within the period, yes. Very good. Ronaldo Tubal was sentenced to a prison term of 2 years and 1 day. To what correctional institution shall he be committed? Sa City Jail. O, 11. Through what means are inmates taught how to assess their own personalities? Saan? Behavior therapy ba? How to assess their own personality? Ato, lagpasan muna natin tong 11. Lagpasan muna natin yan, ha? Balikan na lang natin. Which of the following therapy system is aimed at changing offenders by giving them responsibilities for creating and maintaining the social climate within which they must live inside the prison and eventually outside in the community? Therapeutic. Which is the most effective intervention for suicide risk inmate? Anong dapat gawin? Dapat bang mag-place ng mga kutsyon, ng mga unan sa walls? Close supervision, keep all medicines away from his or her reach, remove blunt objects from his or her reach. Anong dapat gawin? Close supervision. Which of the following provides direction, supervision, and leadership over the administration and operation of jail? Sa jail, ha? Warden. What is the objective of proper enforcement of prison rules and regulations by prison authorities and compliance with by prisoners? Proper enforcement of prison rules and regulation by prison authorities and compliance with by prisoners. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng prison discipline eh. Ito, suggested answer lang to. Ay. Pwede nating balikan yan. Tandaan ko. Which of the following cannot be imposed by disciplinary board as disciplinary punishment? What is the main objective of segregation? To prevent physical and moral contamination. It is a code used by prisoner. Nadaanan natin yan. Inmate Social Code. Why do all members of custodial force proceed or directed to go to their critical posts armed with their issued firearms when there is mass jailbreak? Ay, kanina, tatapos na natin to. A special group of prisoners composed of incorrigible. Alam niyo na yan. Super maximum. Sablayan. Saan daw ang sablayan? What type of personnel are referred to those provide services in support of the line personnel? Di naman pwedeng line personnel. Sila na nga yung dapat supportahan eh. Ano yung susunod sa kanila? Stop. Anong document daw? Required bago prisoner is i-release. Anong requirement? Orders from competent court. The jail warden of the provincial jail is appointed by the provincial jail. Provincial jail is appointed by the sino? Anong sagot niyo? Provincial? What psychological treatment encourages inmates to identify the different aspects of their personalities and to be their own therapists? Behavior therapy. Which of the following rules shall be observed whenever transfer of inmates to another jail is affected? Ano yung mga dapat na sinusunod? O, dapat ino-observe. Kapag maglilipat ka ng inmate sa ibang jail, notorious or disastrous prisoners being moved shall be handcuffed. Yes or no? Yes. All prisoners shall be inspected and searched for dangerous weapons or objects. When two or more prisoners are transported, each must be secured to one another. Parang magkaposas sila. Sa isang posas lang sila. A prisoner must be handcuffed and secured to the part of the vehicle during hindi pwedeng i-posas yung prisoner doon sa may sasakyan. Kasi pagka nagkaroon ng emergency, matatrap sila doon. So, hindi to pwede. 1, 2, and 3. Pedro is sentenced to life imprisonment. He volunteered to be transferred to a penal colony so that he can work and earn a living. By volunteering, his prison term is reduced to blank years. Ilan? Yung sagot mo? Bakit 20? Gut feel lang, no? Gut feel? Gut feel, parang kutob mo lang. Wala akong na-discuss na ganyan. Charot-charot ka. Ilang years? 30 years. Automatic. Kapag ka nag-volunteer siya, na pumunta doon sa may na sa penal colony, automatic mare-reduce into 30 years. Diba life imprisonment yung sentensya niya? Okay lang kahit magkamali. Okay yan. Walang problema dyan. Pedro, an inmate of Camp Bukang Liwayway, got sick with severe colds and influenza. What is right for him to do? Anong dapat gawin? Write a letter to his wife and ask for medicine? Invoke his right. Yes. Karapatan niya magpagamot. Under which condition can a prisoner be immediately released provided he is not a recidivist or he had not been previously convicted 2 or more times of any crime? Under which condition? Pwede siyang i-release. Kung di naman siya recidivist, hindi rin naman siya na-convict ng 2 o higit pa sa kahit anong crime. Sagot ninyo? If he has been jailed for 30 days and the maximum penalty for the offense he may be found guilty is reclusion perpetua. If he has been jailed for 30 days and the maximum penalty of the offense he may be found guilty is prison correctional. If he has been in jail for 60 days and the maximum penalty for the offense he may be found guilty is destierro. If he has been in jail for a period equal to or more than the possible maximum term of imprisonment of the offense, he may be found guilty. Immediately release, ha? Kung di naman siya recidivist, hindi naman siya na-convict sa 2 o higit pang crime. Ang maximum penalty, itong sa letter E, ha? Yung sa maximum penalty ba, pwede sa immediate release? No. Itong letter B, pwede ba to? Prison correctional? Hindi din. The answer is letter D. A maximum security prison is otherwise called maximum close custody. Who are placed inside halfway houses? E di yung mga prisoners na malapit ng lumabas. Why was the San Ramon prison in Zamboanga built in 1869? For incarceration of political prisoners. Prisoners should not be given corporal punishment nor confined in dark cells and sweat box, as these are absolutely prohibited. Which part of the day are treatment and recreation hours held? Before and after work assignment. Why is inspection of jails and prisons necessary? To determine how many prisoners are inside the facility. Bakit? Wala ba silang record? Para di nila malaman? For the administration to be known to the inmates, para makilala daw sila ng mga inmates. To check on adequacy of linkage with the community. Ay, nalayo naman na ito. Letter C. Under what agency is Sablayan Penal Farm? Bucor. In maintaining health, safety, and sanitation inside jail premises, jail officers are responsible for the following except scrub all floors, walls, and ceilings. The Bukang Liwayway camp of the New Bilibid prison houses the Bukang Liwayway. Oh, number 40. Hindi dapat gawin ng probationer. How is one who is sentenced to prison term of 3 years and 1 day to death referred to? Which of the following is not a guaranteed right of an inmate? Hindi guaranteed, ha? Not a guaranteed right. To receive, alin? Ang sagot mo? Yung sagot mo, hindi garantiya na magiging karapatan niya. Yung A, yes, karapatan niya yun. Na magkaroon ng bisita. May dinedesignate kasing time and date yan si superintendent. May nagsagot ng letter D? B? To be confined in private hospitals if sick? Government dapat eh. Government hospital. Ito yung hindi guaranteed right. How is accuracy in counting prisoners ensured? Mere presence ng sapatos sa ilalim ng kama. Malay mo, nilagay lang doon tapos tumakas pala, no? Yes, physical counting. What is a warrant issued by the court? O, yan, paulit-ulit na lang yan. Mintimos. Where shall who are sentenced to a prison term of more than 3 years sent to? More than 3 years. When shall an inmate's request to view the remains of a deceased relative be filed? At least 3 days. Which of the following is a subcolony of the Davao Penal Colony where released prisoners who no longer wish to return to their homestay and work? Kung ayaw na nilang bumalik, ano yan? Ano sagot mo? Panabo, yes. Ano siya? Subcolony siya ng Davao. Yung Kapalong, yes, subcolony din siya ng Davao. Ganon din yung Tanglao settlement. Panabo, Kapalong, tsaka Tanglao. Yan yung mga subcolony ng Davao. Ngayon, ang Panabo, para naman yan sa mga agricultural activities. Ang Kapalong naman, para sa farming, tsaka inmate labor. Ngayon, ang Tanglao, dyan nilalagay yung mga ayaw nang bumalik sa bahay nila. Tanglao. How are the inmates called when they are given special privileges such as work assignments which are not done at the regular times? Disciplinary power cannot be exercised by a prisoner over his co-prisoners. However, technically skilled prisoners may pwede siyang mag-request na tulungan siya ng kapwa niya prisoner. Julio Camacho is an inmate suffering from asthma. He has serious attacks lately and has difficulty in breathing. Can he be brought to the hospital? Ang ina, hinihika na, hirap na huminga, ayaw niyong pandalhin sa hospital. No, left the prisoner nurse, give the medication. Nagkakaroon na nga siya ng serious attacks, oh. Inaatake na. Ang ina, wala namang puso yung mga mga ano na yan, personnel, kung ganon. Yes, if hospitalization is necessary. Kung kailangan talaga. What is meant by hustling? What facility was built recently within the Bureau of Correction site for the purpose of housing prisoners who are about to be released? Halfway house. Which of the following terms is most closely associated to the day-to-day operations of the various units within the organization? Tama, supervision. What is the most common form of sexual perversion in prison? Wait. Madalas na ginagawa. Paano kung babae sila? Masturbation. What is being referred to when the warden is directly responsible for any act or omission of his subordinates in relation to the performance of their duties? When the warden is directly responsible. Yung warden, di ba, siya yung pinakamataas doon? Ngayon, yung subordinates niya, yung mga mas mabababa sa kanya, nagkandaleche-leche, nagkapalya-palya. Si warden ay directly responsible kahit hindi naman niya direct act talaga yon. Pero dahil subordinate niya, magiging responsible pa rin siya. Anong tawag doon? Mapag-aaralan niya sa Leia. Bahala na si Sarcha mag-imay niyan. It is called what? Command responsibility. Delegation of authority. Alam niyo yan? Pag sinabing dine-delegate, ibig sabihin, parang hinahati mo yung authority. Halimbawa, ako yung pinaka-head. Mag-a-assign ako ng mga leaders. Dine-delegate ko yung authority ko sa mga leaders. Gets nyo? To what institution are convicted women offenders committed? CIW. Which of the following information are included in the prisoner's carpeta? Yes, commitment order. 1, 2, 3. Karpeta lang naman to eh. What prison or jail unit is responsible for the investigation of inmates who violate prison or jail rules and regulation? Binayolate nila yung rules. Sinong dapat mag-handle nun? Disciplinary. Didisiplinahin sila. Para din na ulitin. Which two of the following offenses of prisoners are considered less grave? Oh, less grave naman himayin natin. A, 3 and 4. Wait lang, punta tayo sa less grave. Sa mga less grave offense, ito yon: failure to report for work detail. Nandyan? Wala. Failure to render assistance to an injured personnel or inmate. Failure to assist in putting out of fires. Acting boisterously during religious, social, and other group functions. Nandito. Swearing, cursing, or using profane or defamatory language. Wala. Malingering or reporting sick call. Spreading rumors or malicious intriguing against the honor of any persons. Failing to stand at attention and give due respect. Forcing fellow inmates to render personal services. Exchanging uniforms or wearing clothes other than those issued to him. Loitering. Ang sagot? 1 and 2. In 1869, the Spanish authorities established the separate prison in Zamboanga. Who among the following may be excused from hard prison work? In prison, what is the mechanism for treating the underlying emotional or psychological problems that led inmates to criminality? Psychotherapy. Kasi nga, alamin mo yung pinaka-root cause ng kanilang emotional and psychological problems. Psychotherapy yun. 63. Peter was sentenced to serve a prison term of 6 years. He did not qualify for probation. He was brought to the Bureau of Corrections in Muntinlupa. To which place should he be brought for processing and qualification? To whom does the prison warden report to? Si prison warden, saan dapat siya magre-report? Director ng Bucor, tama. Prison warden eh. What is the security classification of an inmate who is under the review of the Supreme Court? Under the review. Whose sentence is under the review. Nare-review pa lang ng Supreme Court. Di ako sure. Ano muna natin to? Taktawan. The Correctional Institution for Women is the only penal institution for women offenders. This is under the CIW is under na the following are authorized to commit a person to jail except BPP. Ipapasok mo nga sa kulungan tapos BBP. Which of the following is not a justification that group treatment of inmates is more advantageous? Everybody must know the inmate story. How is one sentenced to a prison term of 1 day to 6 months referred to? 1 day to 6 months, municipal. Unblank program employs prisoners in various product or good producing tasks. What institution conducts training program for uniformed personnel for BJMP? jail national training. Which of the following organizations donated the halfway house inside? Yun yung PCSO. Robin Padilla served his sentence at the New Bilibid prison in Muntinlupa. Why was he photographed at the reception diagnostic center? Bakit siya kinukunan ng litrato? Okay. Prison work assignments are usually given to prisoners. Prison work assignment. Di ba ang sabi kanina, kailan daw binibigay yung prison work assignment? Before and after ng kanilang recreational activity. May before nga dyan, kaso before sleeping hours. Matutulog na sila, mag-work assignment pa. Eh di after. An arrangement where prisoner goes out of the institution, attend educational classes. Ang tawag doon? Who among the following prisoners is the national prisoner? Ang dami niyan. Ayoko magbasa niyan. One is sentenced to maximum term of imprisonment. More than yes. Kasama yan. 2 or more prison sentence in the aggregate exceeding the period of 3, yes. Regardless of the length of sentence, one sentence for violation of custom laws, other laws within the jurisdiction, Bureau of Customs, regardless of the length. One sentence for violation of immigration laws and election laws, all listed. How do inmates know that they have letters? Paano nila malalaman kapag may may mail na sila? Ang inmate trustee, siya pa magdi-deliver. Magpo-provide ng list. Oo, kailangan ng listahan kung sino yung may mga sulat. Is used only by correctional institutions to? Which of the following is an open correctional institution known to be the best and prison without walls? Wahid. He has the supervisory powers over all provincial and city jails, but his powers are limited in the sense that they are advisory and recommendatory only. Sa lahat ng provincial and city jails, but his powers are limited. Advisory and recommendatory only. Charlie ba? Di ako sure Balikan natin. Diyan lang muna siya. When was the establishment of CIW? It is an order issued by the court to the correctional facility indicating the basis for the confinement of a prisoner. Preliminary from filed up by the petitioner within 72 hours after the release of his probation order. Ano yung dapat Ano yung dapat na pinipilapan? By the petitioner within 72 hours. Release form? Sure kayo? Preliminary form. After the release of his probation order. Nung nirelease yung kanyang probation order, dapat ma-file niya to within 72 hours. It is worksheet. How many minutes sa telephone? If two inmates are arguing with each other of some loss of their items in cell, refer them to the investigation disciplinary board. Oh. 18. Before taking out the prisoner to jail, he will be pre-released to. Bago siya ipasok sa jail, anong gawin? Pre-release to. Before taking out pala. Before taking out, bago siya lumabas. Bago siya lumabas, kailangan niya munang dumaan sa Diagnostic and Reception Center. Having a pornographic material inside jail is a less grave offense. It is the national record of a prisoner at a New Bilibid prison. National record. National record. Karpeta. Among the colonies established in the Philippines, what penal colony was established in Zamboanga? The head of Bucor is the director of prisons who is appointed by the provincial prisoners are prisoners with imprisonment ranging from provincial, Narinig pa akong 1 to 3 years. Ilang hektarya ang San Ramon? 1414. Daling tandaan. P.O. Undoling was convicted to serve a penalty of 6 years imprisonment. A method undertaken to allow prisoners to have the opportunity for normal sex life. May iba kayong sinagot? Tama, tama. Provincial jail is under what government agency? Oh, 1 day to 6 months, classified as designated rank of a warden in a city jail. Chief Inspector, very good. Haba, ayoko basahin. Napadelta na lang kayo, no? Ang haba, putang ina. Ko-compare daw natin yung national tsaka yung city prisoners. Dahil sinabi yung Delta, tingnan natin. National prisoners, term of imprisonment of 3 years and 1 day. Totoo naman. While city prisoners, oh yes, 1 day to 3 years. Letter D. Blank is a security facility common to police stations. Oh, yan na naman tayo sa mga date. Kailan daw? Saan? Ay, oo nga pala, sorry. Tuloy-tuloy. Hindi ko napansin, 101 na pala. Sa 90? Wait lang Ha? Itong 74 natin sa part na to? 70. Ay, sige nga, ano yun? Oo. Anong tanong doon sa 34? 34 ba? 32? 35. Kala ko same sila ng tinatanong. Which part of the day are treatment and recreation hours held? Kumbaga binaliktad naman ngayon. Before and after work assignment. Prison work assignment are usually given to double check tayo. Anong number? Anong part yan? Di kala ko dito eh. Part 3. Wait lang Part 3, number 43. Ay, oo. Oo. At early morning hours. Sorry. Nalito lang. Anong part na yan? Part 4. Paul, natapos mo yung part 4? When there was a tremendous problem in the increase of population of inmates in the New Bilibid prison, the president decided to allocate another piece of land somewhere in Occidental Mindoro to cater the problem of the population increase, which is now known as Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm. This event occur on September. Nasa part 4 na ba kayo? September. Ano dyan sa September na yan? 1945. Hindi ba 1954? Ay, 1954 nga. Namali lang ako ng bilog. A maximum security institution is maximum security Siyempre hindi natin sasagot yung no wall. Hindi rin yung farm and camp. Para lang naman yan sa mga colonies tsaka sa mga minimum. Prison facility that receives newly committed national male prisoner and the entry point of all incoming who will be subjected to distribution to the operation institutions located within the medium security compound of New Bilibid Prison. Sa Bukang Liwayway daw. Ay, hindi. Sa Camp Sampaguita. Medium eh. It's RDC. Following are privileges of detention sentence prisoners, except following are privileges of detention sentence prisoners, except cigars. A married prisoner is visited by his wife. Ang tawag doon sa privilege siya yun? Instrument of restraint shall be applied only to prevent escape. An agency under the DOJ that is charged with custody and rehabilitation of national prisoners. Reorganization Act of, o baka maduling na naman ako, 1407. Upon arrival, the prisoner is ushered in the receiving office of the inmate and education center at the New Bilibid Prison and other prison authorized to admit the prisoners. The following documents shall be presented accordingly by the escorting party of the prisoner except one. Ano yung mga dapat i-present? Pero ang tinatanong kasi yung hindi. Court decision of the case, kasama nga yan eh. Warrant of arrest. Wait lang, bababa ko lang. The following are authorized to order or approve the release of prisoners except Supreme Court. Yan, yung mga courts. Yes, authorized. President, Director of Bureau of Corrections kapag nag-expire. None of these. The following are privileges given to prisoners upon admission as inmates, except one. Oo. To accommodate visitors, papupuntahin mo pa yung bisita doon sa mismong selda niya, sa quarters niya. The following are the privileges of an inmate except one. Privileges, ha? Following are privileges, okay? Except one. Attend or participate in any entertainment or athletic activity. Participate in civic, religious, to receive authorized visitors. Receive gifts. Privilege. Lahat ng nakalista na yun ay privilege. Pero meron diyang isang hindi privilege. Maaring right niya yun. Yes, visitor. Karapatan niya yan. Yan yung right. The following are the rights. O, rights naman ang tinatanong. Kaso, meron dyan ay privilege. To receive compensation is actually a right. O, pasok yan. To credited with time allowances, it is a right. To send, receive, mail matters. Meron ba dito? Wala. Hindi nakalista. Read books and other reading materials in the library. Dalawa dyan ang hindi. Isa dyan sa dalawang yan ang hindi. Kasi itong read books, wait lang, double check ko. Read books, ang hinahanap, privilege, di ba? Except one. Kasi lahat ng nakalista dyan ay rights. To send and receive mail, yes, right yan. These are the objectives of the BJMP, which is not included. Alin dyan? Ang di objective ng BJMP. Yung A, objective ba nilang i-improve yung living conditions ng offenders? Yes or no? Yes. Tsaka dapat naka-align yan dun sa may standard ng UN. Enhanced rehabilitation and reformation of offenders. Yes, objective yan. Professionalized jail services. Professionalized jail services. I think kasama tong C. So none of these. The superintendent of the prison may authorize an inmate to be taken out of prison in the following instances except one. Okay, papayagan daw ni superintendent na ilabas yung prisoner in the following instances. Okay, yung mga nandyan ay yung mga reasons. Alin daw dyan ang hindi? Oo. A-attend siya daw pupunta daw siya sa may ospital. Dahil na ospital yung kanyang pamilya, bakit may magagawa ka ba? Doktor ka ba? Oo, parang dito lang din yan sa kampo. May nangyari po sa bahay namin. Bakit? Makakatulong ka ba? Baka makadagdag ka pa ng problema doon. Under the Philippine Republic, after World War II, 2 or more prisons were created to decongest the overcrowded condition of the New Bilibid prison, established in the following year, respectively, September 27, 1954, and January 16, 1973. Hina ako sa dates. Sablayan. Upon arrival and before admission, an inmate is given a shakedown. Shakedown means abuyog, oh. O, di sa late, eh. Ano bang number? Kasi iba number dito, eh. Ano yung tanong? Nakakasunod ba kayo? Kasi mabilis lang naman kasi paulit-ulit, eh. Paulit-ulit, nauumay na nga ako. An agency under the DOJ is charged, oh. Under daw ng DOJ. Oh. A unit of the prison or section of the RDC where the prisoner is given thorough physical examination including blood tests, x-ray, vaccinations, and immunity is the sorry. 120. A person who is sentenced to serve not more than 1,000 persons or persons, dapat pesos yan eh. Imprisonment ng not more than 3 years. Not more than 3 years. Okay, di lalagpas ng 3 years, pay a fine of not more than 1,000 pesos or both fine of imprisonment. Not more than 3 years. Ano yan? CT, prisoner. A unit, kakandak ng physical examination. Ernesto Enriquez was admitted to the Recreation and Diagnostic Center for him to undergo physical examination, orientation of prison rules, and being interviewed by the counselor or social worker that is conducted in private, was placed under quarantine for how many days? Quarantine na? 5 days lang. The New Bilibid Prison, the CIW, Iwahig, under ng ano yung mga yan? The process of determining the needs and requirements of prisoners for assigning them to programs according to their existing resources is called determining the needs and requirements of prisoners for assigning them to programs. It is classification. Ilang hektarya daw yung Sablayan Prison? Who from among the following has the authority to approve transfer of the inmate found to be suffering from mental illness or is insane to mental hospital? Sino daw may authority para aprobahan yung paglipat ng inmate na may sakit sa pag-iisip? Prison director. Very good. A special group of prisoners composed of, yan na naman sa tanong na yan. (128) It a special unit in prison whereby newly arrived prisoners will be admitted for diagnostic examination observation. The Camp Sampaguita of NBP houses medium. What correctional facilities of Bucor comprising an estimated total land area of 18,000 hectares? 18,000 is Davao. Where a newly committed insular prisoner undergoes diagnosis and treatment as part of the classification process. Saan din? RDC pa din. Who among the following is a provincial prisoner? 6 months and 1 day to 3 years. Diversification means segregation. Expedite was convicted by the competent court and was sentenced to serve an imprisonment of 1 month to 3 years. Under PD number 29, he is classified as prisoner sentenced from 1 day to 3 years or a fine not more than 1,000 pesos. The custodial division is charged with the security of prisoners. Which of the following is considered as the commanding officer? Custodial division is charged with the security of prisoners. Which of the following is considered as commanding officers? Ano sagot nyo? Commanding officer. So medyo mataas-taas yan. It is supervisor prison guards. The principle of separating homogeneous type of prisoners that require special treatment and custody is called. Sineseparate yung homogeneous type. Ibig sabihin ng homogeneous, magkakatulad na uri. That requires special treatment. And custody ay tawag ay diversification. Ihiwalay nga eh. The staff member of the RDC who is responsible for the evaluation of the character and behavior of prisoner is? Alam niyo na yan. EO292. A satellite unit of NBP that houses minimum prisoners whose sentences are more than 3 years to capital punishment. What is the name of the prison institution is situated in Zamboanga? A place of confinement for persons awaiting trial or court action. And where the saan? Operation Operation Shakedown. Kaso dalawa, di ba? Ang rule namin dyan, ay yung nakagisnan namin, kung ano yung nauna, yun ang sinasagot namin. A warrant issued by the court bearing its seal. Direct definition. The entrusting for confinement of an offender to a jail by competent court or authority for investigation, trial, and or service of sentence is referred to as commitment. This is a procedure which permits a jail prisoner to pursue his normal job during the week and return to the jail to serve his sentence during the weekend or non-working hours. May sumasagot ng GCTA. It is a procedure daw, procedure, tinatanong. Pinapayagan yung jail prisoner na magtrabaho during the week. Then babalik siya sa jail to serve his sentence during the weekend or non-working hours. It is called as delayed sentence. Which is a place of confinement for persons awaiting trial or court action and where the convicted offender serve short sentences or penalty of imprisonment. Jail pa rin. What is the type of jails under the supervision of the BJMP? Provincial jails were first established in 1910 under the American regime. At present, who supervises and controls the said jails? provincial government. What government agency that supervises the administration and operation of BJMP? What is the privilege? Oh, alam niyo na yan. Conjugal. Oh, kind of program. Gumagawa ng products. Good producing task. The prison established on November 16, 1904. Ay, wait lang. Ano yung binasa ko? Ay, hindi. Tama pala. Iwahig. Which among the following is the Reorganization Act of 1907? Reorganization Act 1907. 1907. The law creating the... Wait lang. Reorganization Act. Binago yung pangalan. Dati siyang Old Bilibid Prison, tama? Tapos, nung dumating yung Reorganization Act of 1907, bago siya maging Bucor. Kasi dahil sa EO 292, kaya siya tinawag na Bureau of Corrections. Diba? Pero may mas nauna pa kaysa sa Bureau of Corrections. Bureau of Prisons. Oh, alam niyo na yan. Total land area of 1,564. It detains minimum custody offenders serving short sentences with constructive work programs. Workhouse. It directs, supervises, and controls the administration and operation of all district, city, municipal jails to implement a better system of BJMP. $159. Ayan, bahala sa budget. Edi Budget and Finance Branch. The group having the responsibility of providing a system of sound custody, security and control, and their movement, and also responsible to enforce prison or jail discipline. Ba't may sumasagot ng warden? Sila yung may responsibilidad para sa custody, security, and control ng inmates. Security group. Warrant issued by the court para makapag-serve na daw ng sentence yung convicted offender. The National Bilibid Prison was first constructed at Manila before. It was transferred to Muntinlupa City today. The former penal colony in Manila was diverted into Manila City Jail. O, sila yung namamahala daw ng financial. Facility houses prisoners convicted of offenses which the punishment does not exceed 3 years of imprisonment and those with pending cases before the courts. It is administered and run by the personnel of the BJMP, the ordinary jail. Which of the following statement does not agree to the basic principle of correction? Seek to promote discipline and to secure the reformation and safe custody of inmates. Yes, basic principle yan. Ano yung dyan yung hindi? Justice shall be applied partially to all concerned regardless of disposition in life. Partially daw. O hindi. Ay. Marion is convicted at Camp Sampaguita. He got sick for fever and cold. As correctional officer, what be your proper action? Pray for him. Ask for medical attention. Let him die. Kung ako yan, pabayaan ko yan. The Davao Prison and Penal Farm was founded and led by General Paulino Santos. On what year the Davao Prison and Penal Farm was established? 1932 ba? Hindi ako sure. Oh, mahina ako sa date. Search natin. Search na lang ninyo. Establish ang tanong, di ba? Re-establish. (1946) Yung 1932 ninyo, yun yung taon na binuksan. Ang tanong re-establish nga eh. Nirenovate, kumbaga. Mr. Tinanga died because of his own negligence. Can inmate Tinanga avail the privilege of pecuniary aid? Namatay daw siya dahil sa kapabayaan niya. Makakatanggap ba siya ng pecuniary aid? No. Because the cause of death of Tinanga is due to his negligence. Ayan na naman tayo sa tanong na to. Who is tasked with the gathering and collecting of information and other data of every prisoner into a case study to determine the work assignment, the type of supervision, para ma-determine daw yung work assignment niya, tsaka anong uri ng supervision ang babagay sa kanya, ang dapat pala sa kanya. Degree of custody na dapat sa kanya. Classification board. After meals, what is done with the utensils of the prisoners? Kinokolekta yun. Tapos ina-account, binibilang. Kung sasakto ba sa unang bigay nila, nung bumalik, ganun din. Dapat sakto. 172. A standard minimum qualification of a jail officer to be appointed as a district jail warden. Inmates who commit suicide are considered as in any of the following. Pagka nag-commit daw ng suicide, liability siya ni Jail administration, kaya nga kailangan sa kanilang close supervision eh. Which agency exercise supervision and direction over Jail Management Training Institute? Ang sagot? Etong tanong na to, luma na to eh. Luma na to. Which agency exercise supervision and direction over Jail Management Training Institute? Yes, Philippine Public Safety College. Which of the following statement is wrong? Which of the following statement is wrong? Jail is managed by BJMP while prison is managed by Bucor. Tama naman. Jail is created under 6975, the ILG Act of 1990, while prison was created under the Reorganization Act of 1907. Yes, tama naman. Jail shall be headed by Director of BJMP while prison is headed by Director of Prisons. District Jail is headed by Warden while Penal Farm is headed by Penal Director. Ito yung mali. This takes care of the social casework. Sino yan? Social casework of the individual prisoner by making interviews, home visit, referral to community resources, free legal services, and liaison works for the inmates. Social casework. Socio-cultural services. Ayan na nga, andyan na nga o, social. Which branch? This branch of service also conducts psychiatric and psychological examination. Branch of service, nagkakandak ng psychiatric and psychological examination. Medical and health services. German Concepcion requested for transfer to other facilities of the Bucor for him to stay closer to his family as part of his rehabilitation. Who may recommend for his transfer? Nag-request siya to transfer other facilities of Bucor for him to stay closer to his family as part of his rehabilitation. Who may recommend for his transfer? Sinong pwedeng mag-recommend? Recommend ang tinatanong, hindi naman yung mag-a-approve. Who? Hindi naman si Secretary of Justice. Hindi rin naman si President. Dalawa lang yan, prison superintendent or prison director. A felony of grave coercion is committed by a public officer or employee who maltreats a detained prisoner who is not under his custody. The statement is a felony of grave coercion is committed by a public officer or employee. Mako-consider ba yon as grave coercion? A felony of grave coercion? By public officer or employee who maltreats a detained prisoner who is not under his custody. The statement is public officer or employee, general yung tinatanong. Hindi naman hindi naman yung mga prisoners. Ay, prisoners, prison or jail officers. Minaltrato niya yung nakadetain na prisoner. Hindi naman niya yon under ng custody. May nagsagot ng false. Physical injury is committed daw. Pang CLJ ito no? Ay, iwanan natin yan. Oo. Kay Sir Chayan. Hindi, tatanong ko kay Sir. Hindi ako expert sa CLJ eh. Operation conducted by the BJMP where a prisoner may be checked at any time. Prisoners who are nearly to leave the institution awaiting transfer. Those in disciplinary status and those who are chronically ill with mental disabilities are considered nearly to leave the institution, nag-aantay ng transfer, those disciplinary status, and those who are chronically ill with mental disabilities. Unassignable, nearly to leave, awaiting transfer. Those in disciplinary status, those who are chronically ill with mental disabilities. Unassignable prisoners. Then mag-undergo sila ng prison programs. All of these, special group of offenders, minimum security prisoners. Kasi unassignable, but mag-undergo ng prison programs. Diba? Sa mental. Kaso hindi lang yung may mental disabilities yung kasama eh. Kasama yung mga almost tumakas ng institution. Nag-aantay na lang ng paglipat. Those in disciplinary status. Unassignable prisoners to undergo prison programs. Ay, iwanan muna natin yan. Ang nakalagay lang dyan sa choices, unassignable, di ba? Yun lang nakalagay. Para kasi yung, nga, nakikita ko nga unsignable, pero iniintindi ko tong letter A. Unassignable prisoners to undergo prison programs. Parang dalawa ibig sabihin yan eh. Unassignable prisoners, pero parang mag-undergo sila ng prison programs. O kaya naman, parang pinutol yung sentence. Diba? Parang dalawa yung meaning niya eh. Unassignable. Dahil unassignable sila, hindi sila pwedeng mag-undergo ng prison programs. Parang ganun yung pangalawang interpretation ko. Kaya iisip ako kung paano. Kasi yung kanina may ganito tayo nasagutan, yes. Naalala ko. Nakalagay lang doon, unassignable. Diba? One word lang. Ayan nga yun yung kanina. Kaso unassignable lang yung word. Kaya nga sabi ko, itong letter A, pwedeng dalawa yung ibig sabihin yan. Para ka kasing nagbabasa ng message. 'Di ba? Hindi mo kasi alam yung tono, hindi mo alam, kaya magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong interpretation. Unassignable prisoners to undergo prison programs. Unassignable sila, pero parang yung unang interpretation ko, unassignable sila, pero mag-undergo sila ng prison programs. Pangalawa, parang sa tingin ko, pinutol yan, tapos sinabi na unassignable prisoners, pero hindi sila, and then hindi sila pwedeng mag-undergo ng prison programs. Parang ganun yung interpretation ko. Nagigets nyo ako? So, iwanan muna natin yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala, babalikan din yan ng final coaching. Kasi may dalawang ikot yung review natin, alam ko may dalawang ikot. So, kung ano yung mga napag-aralan natin ngayon sa foundation, Kung may mga unclear o mga pwedeng ulitin, uulitin yan doon. Diba? Kalma lang. Responsibility namin kayo. Oh, this is also called the guidance or case. Basta babalikan natin yan. This is also called the guidance or case conference where the prisoner, after undergoing all the tests, interviews, and examination, appears before the center staff. Oh, yan, kanina nadaanan na natin to. Staff. Oh, as a rule, kapag ka may jail break, ang dapat gawin, sound the alarm. Every violation of jail or prison discipline shall be dealt with accordingly. In extreme cases where the violation necessitate immediate action, the warden or the officer of the day may administer the necessary restraints and reports the action taken to in extreme cases where the violation necessitate immediate action. The wardens of the office or the officer, they may administer the necessary restraints. Reports to action taken to hanggang to lang ba talaga yung ano, yung tanong? Hanggang dito lang, walang kasunod? Baka kasi na-delete ko or ano. Hanggang dyan lang talaga yung tanong. Every violation of jail, prison discipline shall be dealt with accordingly. In extreme cases where the violation necessitate immediate action, the warden or the officer of the day may administer the necessary restraints and reports the action taken to. Hindi naman pwedeng emergency plan. Dalawa lang po, standard operating procedure or a general rule. Anong sagot ninyo? SOP? Hindi naman kasi siya pwedeng general rule eh. Para kasi kanina may ganito din. As a general rule, blah blah blah, tungkol din sa mga ganito, restraint shall be taken to. Eto, suggested answer lang naman. SOP. The only one instance when a prisoner may be given passes or leave from prison or places of confinement as may be allowed by law or regulation upon approval of the appropriate authority or the court, if already committed by court order and upon the recommendation of the warden. Pwede siyang bigyan ng passes as may be allowed by law or regulation, okay? Upon approval, very very meritorious cases. Is the Bureau under the Department of Justice, which is in charge of administrative supervision of national prisoners? The law that classified prisoners. PD 2029. PD yan, PD. Presidential Decree. An institution for confinement of convicted offenders sentenced to more than 3 years. The word prison was derived from the Greco-Roman word. Anong ano? S? The word jail was derived from the Spanish word. Dalawa lang naman yan eh. Hawla or kaula. A and B. Spanish word yan. Hawla or kaula. Yung isang gaol, yung gaol, Old English yon. Each of the following is considered to be the purpose of confinement of a person to prison. Ito, may share lang ako sa inyo. Pagka, nung may nagsabi sa amin, kapag nakita ninyo yung all of this sa letter A, yun na yung sagot nyo. Pero hindi ako nagre-rely doon masyado. Unless nabasa ko talaga na yun talaga yung sagot. Oh, sa board exam namin, may lumabas na ganyan, yung letter A, all of this. Sabi, pag nakita ninyo, letter A, all of this, all of the above, wag na kayong second thought pa nga tawag niya eh. Oh, yun. Pero nung board exam, may ganyan. Pero binasa ko pa rin para sigurado. Hindi ako nagtitiwala eh. Ha? Oo nga eh. Kaya nga dapat binabasa talagang maigi. Ano nga yung tanong? Which of the following is considered to be the purpose of confinement? Ano yung purpose ng confinement? To segregate him from society? Tama naman. To rehabilitate him so that upon his return to society, he shall be responsible, law-abiding. O dalawa yung sagot. Kaso may none of this. Diba? Tangin ng tanungan yan. Kapag ganyan, all of this na yung sagot nyo. The basic principles of admission, custody, and treatment of inmates are to seek promote ba? Oo, discipline, reformation, safe custody, impartial application of rules to inmates, yes, regardless ng race, sex, language, and religion, enforce the rules with firmness but tempered with understanding. All of this. The following are national prisoner. Napakahaba, ayoko na basahin yan. May tonsillitis ako eh. One sentence by court to serve maximum term. O more than 3 years daw yung maximum term. Yes. Regardless of length. Ay, ito yung kanina. O, nadaanan na natin to. All of this. A person who is confined in prison pending preliminary investigation, trial, or appeal, or upon legal ground issued by the competent court authority. Refers to the one in charge of the prison. Anong sagot niyo? Refers to the one in charge of the prison. Prison. Hindi pwede si warden. Yung wardress, yan yung tawag sa babaeng warden. Wardress or wardina. Yung wardina, ano lang yon, prisons lang ng wardress. Warrant issued by the court na naman. Refers to the institutional record. Youth camps. are being maintained by Bucor, where youth offenders may serve their sentence in lieu of confinement in the prison. Agricultural and forestry camps. Refers to the information concerning an inmate's personal circumstances. Ang sagot niyo? Ang sagot ninyo? Karpeta, kasama daw yung personal circumstances. Ibig sabihin yung personal information niya, personal background. Ano pa? Yung sentence imposed. Case number, date, kailan niya magsisimula yung service niya, date kung kailan ma-expire yung service niya, receive for confinement, place of confinement. Ano to? Prison record. Basta kasama yung personal circumstances, personal background, prison record yun. Whenever on appeal, the sentence of an inmate is reduced to a maximum term of imprisonment of less than 3 years or to a fine that does not exceed 1,000 pesos, the inmate shall be transferred to, hindi na ang kanyang imprisonment is less than 3 years na lang. Dapat gawin. Ba't may nagsagot ng A and B? A and B. Custody of BJMP for service of sentence. O, tama naman. To the provincial government concerned for service of sentence. An inmate. Ibig sabihin, nabawasan yung kanyang maximum term of imprisonment of less than 3 years. O, less than 3 years na lang bubunuin niya. Saan siya dapat ilipat? E di sa BJMP. Anong set na tayo? Yung papunta pa lang. Last, pahinga muna. Ano muna, break? Hanggang 77 lang. Hanggang 77 lang talaga yan. Break. 95. Bakit? Ano muna tayo, pahinga muna. Alam kong 77 na lang pero gusto magpahinga. Pause mo lang naman.